So this was the article which talks about the huge disparity that exists in India. How do we do that redistribution of wealth? By making those types of welfare policies. किसी और को अमीर नहीं कर सकते हो बिना किसी को गरीब किए हुए. Just now this movie has released in few months back. What was the name of that movie? सावरकर. सावरकर से related जो है ना organizations, personalities, it might be asked in UPSC. Make the poor richer without making the rich poorer. So this was the article which talks about the huge disparity that exists in India. है ना? अभी इससे पहले वाले समाचार मंथन में we have talked about wealth inequality report. It talks about the huge wealth disparity that exists in India. है ना? बहुत ज़्यादा disparity है. So how to minimize those disparity? How do we do that? So we have 2-3 options. Like we can do the redistribution of wealth. How do we do that redistribution of wealth? By making those types of welfare policies. Like taking from, richer section of the society and distributing it to the weaker section of the society. तो एक तो आप वो कर सकते हो. Now, either making the rich poorer, already those people who are rich, either make them poor, this could be the one solution, or the poor richer, or you make the poor richer, or both. या तो दोनों करो. So will these people, the rich people, they agree that they will become more poorer? Nobody wants to become poor. Ultimately, it's their money as well. उन्होंने भी मेहनत करके कमाया है ना? So either making the rich poorer or the poor richer or the both. It can't be the solution. So what we can do? We can do what? We can make poor richer without making the rich poorer. This we can do. Now how we can do? So this article talks about certain types of solutions. कुछ solutions की बात करता है. ठीक है? There is also concept of Pareto optimum in this article. So what is Pareto optimum? This is a concept where you cannot make any other person richer by making other person poorer. मतलब आप किसी और को अमीर नहीं कर सकते हो बिना किसी को गरीब किए हुए. If I have to make a person richer, it means that I'll have to take some wealth from the poorer or some other person to make that person richer. Because ultimately it's a whole economy where the money is circulating. Money is getting distributed among the different people. So ultimately if you have to make somebody richer, it means you are getting that money from somewhere else. तो जब तक किसी और को गरीब नहीं करोगे तब तक किसी और को अमीर नहीं कर सकते हो. So this is the concept of Pareto optimum. Now this article, it talks about in the movie Gujarish, Hrithik demanding the passive euthanasia. Okay. So, okay, fine. Whenever you see these movies also, na, try to relate with the UPSC syllabus. कहाँ पे वो fit हो रहा है. Just now this movie has released in few months back. What was the name of that movie? Not Jawan. Savarkar. Now again, Savarkar is an important movie with respect to UPSC as well. Because it has mentioned about certain organizations. जो England में कुछ organizations थी. Within India also they have talked about certain organizations, some personalities, some people. So those personalities again becomes important. एक तो current में है सावरकर, debated काफी हुआ है, and again at the same time it is also a part of your Indian modern history. Okay? So whenever you see these things also, ना, try to interrelate it, try to link it. ठीक है? Rocket Boy भी series आई थी. So Rocket Boy was again one of the series. It was about the nuclear energy development program of India. ठीक है ना? It talked about Homi Bhabha and all those bigger personalities who were engaged in this, the nuclear development of India. And again, it was asked in UPSC. Not about the personalities, but about, thorium, monazite, इन सब के बारे में UPSC ने पूछा. Geography का भी part है, but again, current में news में था. So you have to interlink it. So chances are there, if not this year, maybe next year, सावरकर से related जो है ना, organizations, personalities, it might be asked in UPSC. ठीक है, आ सकता है. Probability is there. ठीक है, अब ऐसा मत करना कि जाके सीधे सारी की सारी मूवीज देख डालो कि मैम ने बोला था रिलेट करने के लिए. Now people are talking about Lapata ladies and all those things. Fine, you should watch movies sometimes to release, stress. But now don't go and start watching all the movies. Now this article talks about, if you go and see this article, this is a huge article. Points बस 4 ही हैं, solution भी 4 ही हैं. Only 4, options are there, the 4 problems are there, and 4 solutions are given. By reading the entire article, only these 4 points, and see the points. Right? So in this way, you have to grab the information when you are reading a particular article. पूरा article important नहीं होता है. The entire article I have summarized in this, 4 or 5 points, key points. ठीक है? और ये सारे questions आते हैं. These are the questions of mains. These types of questions are being asked. So now what are the problem and how can we do that? So it talks about economic growth needs investment. So if we are talking about making the rich poorer, then who will invest? Richer people are the people who are doing investment. ठीक है ना? The investment, economic growth will only come through a quality investment. ठीक है ना? And the richer people are the people who are investing in the capitals. Right? So policy attitude can hinder investment. So what should be our approach? Our approach should be to maximize economic growth by not hindering the investment by the richer people. तो पहला solution यही है. ठीक है? Problem, what is the problem? Problem is that we do have growth, but the growth is not a qualitative growth. Economically हम लोग grow तो कर रहे हैं, but at the same time that is not distributed well in the society. Only few chunks of the people are well off, right? So it talks about that. Now the second problem is rebalance the capital labor skew. India, we have a huge population. कितनी ज़्यादा population है यहाँ की? But if we are promoting a capital-based industries, or सारा हम लोग क्या mechanization कर दें, if we are doing the mechanization of all the industries, then where will the labor force will go? इनको भी तो काम चाहिए ना? We cannot be capital based in, or you can say हम लोग completely mechanization की तरफ नहीं जा सकते हैं. Why? Because we have a huge labor whom we have to give employment. So for those Western countries, this model is applicable. But in case of India, we cannot go for capital based employment growth or opportunities. We must have that balance. Along with technology, along with innovation, we have to look for those policies which are promoting the balanced growth of both the things, labor as well as capital. Because seeing the demography of India, we have huge population, huge people who are in demographic dividend group. What is demographic dividend group? Demographic dividend क्या होता है? What is the concept of demographic dividend? So India has advantage of this demographic dividend right now. Why? Because those people who are independent, who are working age group, so those are in great number as compared to the dependent population. तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जो है जो working age group में है, from 15 to 60, 64, right? So many people are in this particular age group, that is 15 to 54, which is considered as independent. Those who can work, those who are physically fit. ठीक है ना? तो हमारा demographic dividend भी ठीक है, population भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो again we need to have such type of policy which can balance both the things. It should not be skewed. Skewed मतलब एक तरफ, either capital or labor. It should not be like that. It should be balanced, right? तो ये भी है, rebalance the capital labor skew which we are having right now. अभी कितने लोगों के पास जॉब ही नहीं है ना? Still we are like, many people are skilled, many people are educated, but still we do not have the job. The next article is talking about that only. ठीक है? तो minimizing unemployment. ठीक है? So what is the problem? Problem is of what? Problem is of inequality. Problem is of unemployment. Problem is of opportunities. तो आपको क्या करना है solution में? पहला तो economic growth. Then we are talking about maximizing the employment by doing what? By doing the capital labor balance. Then imbalance in taxation. अभी क्या होता है? We have two types of taxes. We have direct taxes and indirect taxes. What are direct taxes and what are indirect taxes? इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स क्या है? जैसे टॉफी खरीदी, ठीक है, ठीक है, वो दैट इज इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. एंड व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट टैक्स? सो डायरेक्ट टैक्स आपकी वेल्थ पे डायरेक्टली इम्पोज होता है, सीधा, सीधी सी बात है. दैट द बर्डन ऑफ दैट टैक्स यू कैन नॉट शिफ्ट. सिंपल, आपके ऊपर टैक्स लगी है, आपको ही देना है. बट इन केस ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, दैट द बर्डन ऑफ टैक्स कैन बी शिफ्टेड. टॉफी आपने ली, दोस्त पैसे दे दो यार, उसको पूरे पैसे दे देने के लिए, तो उस पर शिफ्ट हो गया, राइट. तो मेजर जो टैक्स हमारा आ रहा है, द मेजर टैक्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग फॉर दिस कंट्री इंडिया, इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, राइट, in which everyone is paying. The like poor log bhi jo, even if they are buying something, they are paying for it. Farmers are paying, poor people are paying, middle class are paying, everyone is paying. So major chunk of money is coming from there, indirect tax. ठीक है ना. और डायरेक्ट टैक्स से जो पैसा आ रहा है वो इतना ज्यादा नहीं है. If you are comparing these two things, it is not up to that mark. So now what it is saying, indirect taxes जो आप collect कर रहे हो, it is better that you reduce the burden of that tax, because that is especially on the poorers, that is not felt by the richer section of the society. क्योंकि उनके पास इतना पैसा है कि वो थोड़ा बहुत दे भी दे, it hardly matters. But for the people who are very poor, who don't have money, and now they are paying for any commodity, the tax is included in that. उनके ऊपर जो है out of pocket expenditure, it is huge, right? तो उनके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा है. So it is talking about to minimize that burden. उस बर्डन को आप मिनिमाइज करो. जो आप कलेक्ट कर रहे हो पैसा, टैक्स ऑन कंपनी, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, जीएसटी, ठीक है, गुड गुड. मुस्कान, विकास, मुस्कान, ठीक है, ओके. क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से जाएगा. अगर क्वेश्चन है, प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करो, तो प्रॉब्लम में सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाएंगे. इम्बैलेंस इन टैक्सेशन, राइट, rebalance, the capital labor is skew. These are the problems. Now what is the solution? Solution ठीक सामने मैंने लिख दिया है, ठीक है ना. Minimizing the unemployment, imbalance in taxation, lowering the tax burden. Now this is also the social security net, by having the welfare policies to distribute, the wealth and to give the advantage to the poorer section of the society. We must have some welfare policies as well. So that is included in social security net. So in this way, by providing employment, by having the balance in the capital labor market, by providing social security net, what we can do, we can reduce the disparity. That is the main question of this article, because we have huge disparity. अब उस disparity को आप कम कैसे करेंगे? You cannot do this way by making the rich poorer and poorer richer, right? We can make poorer richer without making the richer poor. This line you can write, है ना, ये लाइन होनी चाहिए. एंड देन दीज सॉल्यूशन यू कैन प्रोवाइड फॉर. ओके, यस, एआई इज आल्सो कॉजेस लॉस ऑफ जॉब्स फॉर लेबर्स. ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंडिचर, व्हाट इज आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंडिचर पीपल? क्या होता है? आप पॉकेट से कितना खर्च कर रहे हो, सिंपल सी बात. इसी को बोलते हैं आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंडिचर. नथिंग दैट, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. हाउ मच यू आर एक्सपेंडिंग, हाउ मच इज गोइंग फ्रॉम योर पॉकेट, हाउ मच यू आर फीलिंग ऑन योर पॉकेट. कैसा आप फील कर रहे हो अपने पॉकेट पे, राइट? इज इट हाई, इज इट लो? से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ पुअर पीपल, they are earning, suppose they are earning just 1,000 rupees in a month, right? And if they have become ill, they have went to the hospital, now they have expended 500 rupees for the treatment. And someone with 1 lakh rupees, and they have went to the hospital and have expended 500 rupees. So for this person who is poor, the out of pocket expenditure will be felt much more as compared to the person who is earning a very, good money. ठीक है ना? So this is the difference. हाँ, you can write, definitely you can write, अमन. देखो, कई बार क्या होता है, many things might not be there in your magazine, ठीक है ना? So you can keep on writing also, you can have the running note. वहीं पे लिखते जाओ. So what will happen when you will revising it, it will become easier for you to revise, because here I am teaching, you are understanding, then you are writing. सो दैट बिकम्स ईजियर. माइंड हमारा ऐसे ही काम करता है. ठीक है, तो यू कैन राइट. So this was the question on inequality. Can the viscous cycle of gender inequality, poverty, and malnutrition to be broken through the microfinancing of women self-help group? Explain with examples. Okay? It talks about explain with examples. So you have to give examples as well. This was asked in year 2021. Okay, na? So first you have to define what is this inequality, poverty, and malnutrition. Right, you can just write in one paragraph, 2-3 lines about it. Can the vicious cycle of gender, just a minute. Can the viscous cycle of gender inequality, poverty, and malnutrition be broken through the microfinancing of women self-help group? ठीक है ना? तो introduction क्या है? Because the main part is it is talking about self-help group. It is talking about self-help group. So you have to discuss what is self-help group. ठीक है ना? तो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के बारे में आप बताओगे. यू कैन टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स विद इन इंडिया. इन विलेज आल्सो वी हैव सो मेनी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स. नाउ हाउ दीज सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आर एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग इन addressing these problems, gender inequality, poverty, malnutrition. ठीक है ना? तो वो एक एक एग्जाम्पल आप लेते जाओगे. malnutrition है इन विलेजेस में, anemia and marasmus, kwashiorkor. These are the different diseases that prevails in a village area. So you can write by giving awareness, these self-help groups, women workers, they are actively engaged in providing awareness. Sometimes it also provides facilities. Sometimes it provides microfinance to the different, people who are residing in village. So you can give different examples. ठीक है? तो ये सारा example देकर के आप इसको लिख सकते हो.